Hello viewers, how are you? Today we will discuss top 7 benefits of plank for your body. An important exercise is the plank pose, a simple, isometric exercise that engages significant body muscle groups in a single pose. This one exercise can work wonders, literally, from head to toe and help build strength and stability in the body 60 seconds at a time. What are the benefits of a plank pose? A strong core is much more than six-pack abs. We use our core muscles unconsciously for several actions in a day, ranging from bending and lifting weight, to balance and even managing our breathing. A weakened core can cause serious injury if ignored. The plank position helps target the core muscles and gives them an excellent burn to build muscle strength. Number 1. A healthy posture. A bad posture is when we slouch and have slumped shoulders. This happens because of poor alignment and sitting for long durations. A good posture is one where the weight of the body is distributed evenly. It reduces the stress on our spine and gives us a straight, well-aligned body while walking, standing, and sitting. The plank position engages all muscles from your neck, shoulder, and back up to your pelvis, thighs, and legs. Gradually, this results in a strong posture, giving you the confidence to walk tall and proper. Number 2. Balance and coordination. Our core muscles are responsible for helping us balance while riding a bike or standing on one leg. Even dancing requires engaging the core muscles to achieve the right balance in form. Planks hold the core muscles, thus teaching your muscle to endure. This builds muscle stability and increases body balance. Number 3. Improves body alignment and helps avoid illness. Many of us, even at a young age, experience back pain and lower back issues. This is due to bad posture and bad alignment of the body. Regular planks can help improve posture and rid you of back pain. Number 4. Build core strength. If you've read this far, you have realized that our core muscles do more than look pretty. Plank and its variations like a side plank, reverse plank, resistance planks, etc. can help build strength and endurance. Number 5. Improves flexibility. In yoga, the plank position, called Kumbhakasana, and the side plank or Vasisthasana are essential poses for flexibility and core strength. They help improve flexibility in hips and thighs when combined with other poses. Number 6. Improves metabolism. When we sit and work for long hours or are not physically active in our life, our metabolism tends to slow down. Doing the plank position regularly improves circulation, thus improving body metabolism. The stronger your muscles grow, the more will increase your food intake. However, if you keep exercising regularly and eat a healthy diet, the combination will make your metabolic rate go up and you will burn more calories, resulting in fat loss. Regular planking can improve your metabolism and you will burn calories, even in your sleep. Number 7. Improves overall mental health. Any and all exercises release endorphins which help elevate our mood. However, planks can be special mood lifters because it engages the stressful corners of our body. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like, comments and share.